How to update Google Play Store. Okay, the first things you can do is go to your Google Play Store app. Here in Play Store, tap the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And now go to settings. Here in settings, go to about. In about, you can scroll down and now you can see the update Play Store. You can tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now Google Play Store is up to date, so you can tap the gadget. So my Play Store is up to date, but if your Play Store is not update, so you can tap this update Play Store button to update your Google Play Store. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching.